In this tutorial I'm going to show you the assemble and the dimensioning feature on Autodesk 123D. So here's just an example of 3 objects that I've created earlier. If you scroll up to design intent, you'll have 2 options. One says assemble, one says dimension. Let's look at the dimension one first. Let's click on that one. Now that's as easy as clicking on an edge, and you can drag out. You can see when you zoom in, it'll give you the dimension, which is 91. Let's click on this one. It says 30. Now that's really handy in case you've forgotten what the dimensions of something are. The measurements of something are. You can quickly just get access to it just by simply going to design intent and then dimension. So here's another example: 30, 88. So it's quite handy. Let's look at the other option, which is the assemble. So this one, it's just a really neat feature. If, for example, if you've made parts in separate areas and you want to bring them together and join them. So, for example, let's select the bottom of this part and click the bottom of that. Hit assemble. Notice how it's just come together and they've joined. So I'll show you once again. Go to design intent, assemble, select the 2 parts or the edges that you want to join, and just like that, hit enter and they will mate together. So again, let's select this edge and select that edge, hit assemble. Sorry, I've done it the other way around. There we go. And there we've put all the parts together. So it's quite handy feature, especially if you want to create your model in a professional manner. You create all your separate parts, then put them together by assembling them together. To insert parts, you go to your main browser or your first file name. You can double click where it says part 2 and name it. So I'll call this random object. Enter. Then you can right click on that, and then you can see there's an option that says insert part or component, and when you click on that, you should be able to find all your files. So in this case, I'll just select on that one, and there you see you can add as many parts as you require. So hopefully that helps. So just to recap, you've got the dimension and assemble. Make sure you click assemble first before selecting your edges to mate together.